Welcome once again. Now we are going to read a text that talks about predicting the future of space travel. So as I told you, we are going to just run to read. This is a text that we find in the student books English. It is just on chapter, it is unit number 5 that talks about space travel. So we are going to talk about this text that is to talk about this one. This actually, it is not a text, as I told you, it is a report. It is a news report. So now let's start. Human could be living on Mars by 2030. As astronauts trained for a mission to the red planets, it is 20 years since Pathfinder touched down on Mars. There are now 8 robots collecting information from the red planet ahead of crew being sent out. The intriguing question of whether there is life on Mars has obsessed mankind for generation. Within 2 decades, the answer might be defined yes, because scientists hope to send people in the red planet. There may be no little green men, but there could be human wearing special suit and living capsule. Scientists believe human could have been living on Mars in between 15 and 20 years' time. It is 20 years since NASA's Pathfinder spacecraft touched down on Mars and, using a robot, sent a huge amount of data back to the Earth. Since then, NASA has sent more lander and orbiter. There are currently 8 robots from various countries examining the planet. They have found water, rising hope, microorganisms existed there and could sustain human life. And it might not be a moment too soon. Last month, physics genius Prof. Stephen Hawking, 75 1-hour days on Earth are numbered, and we need to colonize another planet. Within 100 years, our face the threat of extinction, he said. The Earth is becoming too small for us, and our physical resources are being drained at alarming rate. We know the extinction is a possibility after what happened to dinosaurs, and are vulnerable if, for example, pandemics sweep across the Earth. So it makes sense for us to have colonies where we can live in the solar system, and Mars ideal candidate. So Dr. Adeline Parcock, so if our life on Earth is vulnerable, human being, we have to colonize another planet in the solar system. The hopes for a future on Mars have grown in tandem with the technological advances that have expanded our knowledge about the 4th planet from the Sun. NASA's Mars Pathfinder released its 23 IB 6-wheel robot, Recover Sojourner. It only traveled 100 meters, but sent back 550 images and about 8.5 million temperature, pressure, and wind measurement back to the Earth. So Journal was followed by the far more mobile Exploration Spirit and Opportunity rover. In 2004, and the Phoenix in 2008, but it was NASA's Curiosity rover, which is still sending more information back to the Earth. This marks the biggest shift in the space age advance. It was launched in 2011 to determine whether Mars was even support microbial life. This is a news report that is written by Antonia Paget. So we can find it is released on 3rd July 2017. So now we are going to read the question of comprehension that you are going to answer in the comment of just under this below here on this text. So you can answer the question that you are able to answer if you have understood or if you have read well. Read the news report from the Miller on page 120 and 121 and answer the question below. All your work should be presented in a complete sentence. Question number 1 is asking who is Prof. Stephen Hawking? Free explain his warning about the planet Earth. Question number 2, why does the writer say that our hopes for the future on Mars have gone to tandem? This one is already answered in the last paragraph. How does the writer explain human being obsession with color-led other planets? Okay, this is the question of comprehension that you are going to answer. So you are going to answer the question that you are able to answer. Now give the meaning of the flowing word phrase in the context above passage. The first one is mass. We find it in the first paragraph. Capsule in the second paragraph. Robot in the second paragraph. Planets in the second paragraph. Extinction in the third paragraph. Then tandem in the fourth paragraph and launched in the fifth paragraph. So we come on with application activities. Write a paragraph explaining why astronauts chose to send paraffin and landers to Mars instead of human being. Write short composition of around 200 words explaining why there could be life on Mars. Okay, this is just the question of researching. You can research and then you answer that question. Okay, and I would like just to receive your answer and then your comment.